Well, it's time to clean up some tools. Um, this one here used to look like this, covered in rust. I tried it in vinegar, and it did work. I see these videos, and they go, and within a few hours, it took about 4 days for this to actually get cleaned up. So what I'm going to do is just take anything that's got a fair amount of rust on it, toss it in here, put it in with some cleaning vinegar, which is 10% acetic acid. And then I'll find out how quickly it does do it. Okay. Loud noises. Those ones are all okay. Yeah, some of these need it. Yeah, that's okay. Strange how the rusting occurred on some of these, considering they were all sitting out in the garage. Some of them have no rust, and some of them are heavily oxidized. That one can go. Try them all. And that one. So, what I'll do is I'll keep a record of the time and see how long it actually takes to clean these up. Then what I'm going to do is filter what's left over of the liquid, which will be, well, basically acetic acid and probably iron acetate. And then I'll let it evaporate off and then see if I can grow some iron acetate crystals. So, this might be a while. Well, it's definitely reacting fairly quickly. This is about 15 minutes after I dumped them in. The previous one I did, I used the 5% acetic acid. As I said, this is 10% acetic acid. So this might actually happen real quick. But I'll keep the time going. Well, it's been 26 hours and it looks like it's pretty well done. So what I'm going to do is pour this out because I want to save it. And then I'll start washing these in the sink with lots of water. So what I have now is a mess. I've got some iron acetate here, which I'm going to actually allow to slowly evaporate and see if I can get some crystals. I'm wearing these not because of any harmful chemicals, but when I did the first one of these, they were filthy dirty. That black, let's see, stains the skin. So now it's just a matter of wiping them down, and piling them up, and see how they look. Well, they're definitely cleaner than before, but this one was in the vinegar for much longer. So what I think I'm going to do is toss these back into vinegar again and give them another day or two. Probably took them out too early. So I'll put this back outside for another day or two. So it's been in 10% acetic acid for about 4.5 days. And you can see in here, I've actually got iron acetate crystals forming. Now I will eventually have to filter this probably when it's warm, and then do multiple filters because you could see there's very tiny crystals. Now, let's look at this. They're black, but they also look very rust-free. So what I'm going to do is take this over to the sink and flush with a large amount of water. So let's see how these came out now, other than with a lot of garbage on them. I'm going to change. Okay, let's take a look. That is very nice. Let's pull another one. These are the ones that actually tended to be the worst. Oh, that's just perfectly, whoops, perfectly clean. Well, other than the black stuff. Let's just adjust the light over. And the gloves are for cleanliness only. I've already flushed this. Okay, oops, there we go. Very nice. I'm not going to do this for all of them. So it would look like about 3 days probably in 10% acetic acid. Get some super clean. Now I will have to coat these with a tiny bit of well, oil. I'll probably use mineral oil. But let's grab one of the other type. Oops. Very nice. And quite readable now. So yeah, soaking them in vinegar need to be 5%, 10%. It'll just be a matter of the amount of time it takes. Cleans these up quite nicely. And there they all are after washing them and oiling them up a bit. What I will do at a future point is probably put them all in a paper bag with some paper towels and shake, 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 shake and get any excess oil completely off. But that's good enough for now.